Welcome back to the channel. It's your host Rob with I-25 Kia. I'm here today with the 2020 Kia Optima SX Turbo. So if you look at the outside of this guy with the sparkling silver paint job, it's a very slick look. Tiger nose grille is very clean. You got the nice LED daytime running lights. And this particular SX package comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels. Those are very cool looking. I really like this black detailing on the inside. We also have heated outside mirrors for when it's cold, and it's gonna get cold soon. Let's look at the back. The back is a very clean look as well. You got the dual exhaust down here at the bottom. Pretty sure this is just a single one that's been split, but still a really cool look. You do have a very nice keyless entry with the key fob. I mean, I could just have it in my pocket. And of course I could just hit the button. And when you hop in this ride, you're gonna notice it's very bright. That's better. When you hop in this ride, you're gonna notice that it's just sweet. I mean, look at the interior of this guy. So this SX package comes with the red leather interior, and it is a nice look. You got red stitching on the side, the nice red leather in the middle. It's very comfortable. And then to top it off, you have this nice SX stitching that's been embroidered here on the seats, letting you know that this has some power. This is a sweet car. Look at that sunroof. It's gigantic. It's just a very clean, well thought out design on the entirety of this vehicle. The exterior, the interior, the engine, the safety, the technology. So let's turn on this push button start. So with the 2020 Optima SX Turbo, you get a nice 8-inch touchscreen display right here in your center console. It's got the integrated Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, which is really convenient. You can go through your phone, you can go through your music, your maps, and go through your text messages without having to look at your phone. Stop looking at it. But also on this touchscreen, you're gonna notice your nice cameras for backing up. They do have the dynamic lines. And you do also have the rear cross traffic alert. So if anybody's coming from this direction or that direction, the car is gonna let you know so you don't end up hitting them. So Kia has done a great job really sticking to the fundamental things that make an Optima an Optima. They haven't really changed the exterior too much, just cleaned it up, made some sportier design elements in the front grille and the back. With 2020, they introduced some new trim levels like the S. The biggest change to the Optima's SX this year is they've made the wireless charging dock a standard feature in all EXs and SXs. Other than that, it's virtually the same. Just improved technologies and I would say a nicer interior from what I remember about the SX last year. For both driver and passenger, you have heated and ventilated seats. And then for the driver, you also have a nice heated steering wheel, which is also a leather. You have this nice red stitching on the inside to match the rest of the interior. And then you also have the SX logo at the bottom of this flat bottom wheel. It's a cool sporty look. So I've always been a gigantic fan of Kia's Optima. It's one of my favorite vehicles in their lineup. That's because of how it handles, the technologies incorporated within, and how comfortable of a ride this thing is. One of the most comfortable vehicles I've ever driven, with the heated and ventilated seats, the heated wheel, the nice leather, the huge sunroof. There's not much to complain about this vehicle. You have 4 different drive modes. You've got Comfort, Eco, Sport, and Smart. You also have Smart Cruise Control, where you can limit the distance between you and the car in front of you up to 3 different levels. If you're sharing this vehicle with your spouse or your girlfriend or your children, you can save different driver user settings. So the moment that you hop into the car, the seat's gonna adjust to driver 1 or driver 2, however you set it up. The Optima's power comes from this 2-liter turbocharged gasoline direct injection engine, which is accompanied by a 6-speed automatic transmission. The wheel is very well designed. You have your cruise control on the right, and then you have your phone calls on the left, and you can also navigate through your music this way. And you have these nice paddle shifters, which is it's a great thing to have here in Colorado when you're going up and down mountains. I also really like the audio system in this guy. You have the Harman Kardon Premium audio system with the Clarify technology, so all of your music is gonna sound super crisp, like studio recordings or vinyl. If you guys have any further questions about Kia's 2020 Optima SX Turbo, then go talk to the car experts at I-25 Kia. Check back soon, like and subscribe, it means a lot to me, thank you. And as always, have a great day. Bye.